Are you looking for an alternative for ginger cookies that is gluten-free and maybe even sugar-free and vegan? This recipe might be just the right one. Welcome or welcome back to our simple home. I need 1 tablespoon of grinded chia seeds, so I just grind them, 2 tablespoons of water, 50 grams of dates. I mix them well so they are fine, and I have a date paste. 120 grams of nut butter. I use sunflower seed nut butter, but you can also use almond nut butter. 100 milliliters of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. I use refined coconut oil. I mix all the wet ingredients to a nice creamy paste, and then I start adding the dry ingredients. 50 grams of oat flour, 50 grams of almond flour, 50 grams of white rice flour, 50 grams of brown rice flour, 25 grams of corn starch, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half or 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, and half or 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. I used only half for each because my kids don't like it so spicy. I preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I spread some almond flour to my workspace. Then I transfer my cookie dough onto the almond flour. I add some almond flour on top so it's not so sticky on the fingers, and then press it down a little bit. Then I roll it out to about half a centimeter of thickness. This time I only used 2 shapes, the Christmas tree and the heart shape. So I cut the cookies with the cookie cutter, reshape them a little bit with my fingers, and then place them onto my prepared baking sheet. In between I place my cookie cutter a little bit into the almond flour so the dough is not so sticky to the cookie cutter. If you liked my content so far, please like this video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and share my videos with others. That means a lot to me. Thank you. All the leftover dough I roll into a ball again, and then roll it out into a half centimeter height again, and then cut out the cookies again. It turns out that I have 2 baking sheets full of the cookies. That's how they look. I place 1 cookie sheet at a time into the preheated oven and bake them for about 15 minutes. Once they are all cooled off, I can show you the cookie from the inside. That's how they look. They got thicker, and this is how they look from the inside. They taste similar to a ginger cookie, but sure, you can taste that it's healthier. So thank you for watching.